scouring the web for new NFT projects to ape into, I came across something that gave me a sense of nostalgia. The art seemed familiar, and others must have felt this as well, because this project, Edenhorde, was selling like hotcakes. I mean, we're talking 5 to 10 sales a minute. Whew, and it's still going on. And as much as I wanted to FOMO in, I couldn't bring myself to be the degenerate I tell you guys not to be. So the research began, and I found that Edenhorde's artist is Andy Ristano, or Ristano, however you say it, forgive me. Andy Ristano is a big dog in the game because he is drawn and storyboarded for Cartoon Network's Adventuretime and Netflix original Midnight Gospel. I'm a fan of both of these shows. They are both very well done, and Ristano has won an Emmy for his contributions. Edenhorde is not making any big promises yet, but if you go to their website, there are some hints to what might be in the works. There is already some extensive lore for the 4 tribes that are in the collection, and I'm excited to see what will come from this project. However, the bigger question is, will cartoonists utilize NFTs as an upstart to their new creations? We have already seen many NFTs with little experience in the realm of television and graphic novels make promises of these mediums in the future. Uniforce wants a comic, Cypher for Cypher, they got a comic. They're more game, but they do have a comic coming. Deadheads has an ongoing web series. I definitely recommend you check it out on YouTube. It's hilarious. Stoner Cats also has regular episodes coming out with Mila Kunis and Michael, what's his name? Kelso. With Mila Kunis and Kelso. And not to talk of even Gary Vee is going to be voice acting on it. And Treeverse affiliate Interleave is already touting themselves as a blockchain production company. So it seems like NFTs and blockchain are not shying away from television and movie mediums. Now the last question is a promise of a television show, a manga, a movie, a web series, a comic book, is it enough for you to invest into that NFT project? I want to know what you guys think. Does the NFT's promise of a show or a comic make you more inclined to invest, or is it only a nice cherry on top? Hey, if the show is Adventure Time level, please take my money. I'll surely make it back. But hey, if this video helped you out in any way, please drop a like in the video and subscribe if you can. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.